And Nighat auntie is back with a bang, advising that they should get Sidra and Zishan married. And once again, the intention is purely selfish because she wants to fix Zishan. And she thinks marrying him to Sidra will get rid of the guilt and shame and regret he's carrying. But the way she says, oh, Sidra's life will be settled, as if Zishan is some prize, just waiting to be won, and whoever marries him will live a life of bliss. When the reality is, Sidra probably has like a lot of trauma attached to Zishan. I mean, the poor girl was unwilling to go to her grandfather's house because she was harassed there. And he had been scaring her for ages. And he would have continued to do so if he had not been caught. Zishan has not had some awakening. He has not become a good guy. He has just realized how Sidra must have felt when he was harassing her and scaring her, because he went through it himself. And he hates himself for doing that to Sidra because he hates the people who did it to him. He thinks he suffered because he made Sidra suffer. And it's as simple as that. Sidra marrying Zishan is like giving Sidra lifelong imprisonment for a crime she was a victim of. Not to mention that Zishan would never value her. He would never respect her. And once his fear and his initial shame and guilt goes away, he's just going to treat her badly. And not just that, Zishan has so many bad habits. I guess Nighat is hoping that marrying Sidra will fix them as well. But no, not at all. I think Sidra will be the one who takes a stand for herself this time. Because the way things are going, Rashida is going to be useless in this.